Okay guys, we're going to make a chickpeas with pumpkin and other veggies curry. Alright, so here I have 1 tin of chickpeas that I drained and washed here. I have some onion, I have some raw peanuts. Here I have some grated coconut, some grated carrots, some pumpkin. I have some curry powder here. I have some Sazon, homemade Sazon seasoning blend that I made. I'll leave a link in the description for this. Of course, we have some salt. I have some ginger garlic paste here. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for this. I have some sofrito. I will leave a link in the description for this. Here I have some bush basil from my garden. I have some dried curry leaves. I have about 6 seasoning peppers here. And I have 1 big leaf thyme or Mexican oregano that I chopped up here. All right. So this is what we're going to use in order to make our chickpeas with pumpkin and other veggies curry. So what I'm going to do, guys, now is I'm actually going to season up my pumpkin and my chickpeas. Okay. So let's put the bowl here in the middle. All right, so hopefully you guys can see better now. All right, so I have my chickpeas in here. I'm going to also add in my pumpkin. All right. So to this, I'm going to add my sofrito. So I will add 2 tablespoons of the sofrito. As a matter of fact, I'm going to finish what's in here. I don't have much in here, so I'm just going to finish that. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add some of my Sazon seasoning blend. I will add my big leaf thyme or Mexican oregano. And I'll also add my bush basil to it as well. Okay guys, there you have it, our seasoned chickpeas and pumpkin. Let's head over to the stove so we can start cooking. Okay, so let's put some coconut oil in our pot here so that we can saute our onions and peppers. We also want to add in our dried curry leaves as well. And we want to roast our raw peanuts. All right, so guys, I'm going to leave this to saute for a while and then I'll be back. Okay, before I forgot to mention that I wanted to sprinkle some sea salt on my onions. I always like to season that layer. All right, so now I will leave this for a while and I'll be back. All right, guys, I also want to add in my curry powder. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Let's leave this to fry up. I'm going to add a little more oil to it because I find it's a little dry. So we want to fry our spices about 2 minutes or more. Okay guys, so our spices have been frying up for a while. So now let's add everything else in. I'm going to add in my coconut, my carrots. And we're going to add in our seasoned chickpeas and pumpkin. I'm going to add some coconut milk to this, my bowl, and just mix it around. so I can get all the seasoning. Add the rest of coconut milk. Mix everything together. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth to it. I'm also going to throw in a cinnamon stick as well. So insert the spoon here. All right, guys, so let's leave this to come up to a boil.